Today I shall discuss concepts on trigonometry. Those concepts will be covered in part 5 today. Now come to the point, derivations of trigonometry formulas. Let triangle ABC be there in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Here you can say, see, triangle ABC be there in which angle B is 90 degree. And here I have let angle A, that is angle BAC equal to theta. Then sin theta will be perpendicular over hypotenuse. Same thing I have written here. Sin theta equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse equal to perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Sin theta equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse equal to BC over AC, and cos theta equal to AB over AC. Here AB is base with respect to angle theta, AB is base and AC is hypotenuse. Now formula will be then sin theta equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse equal to BC over AC and cos theta equal to AB over AC. Now come out to here, you can see sin cos tan I have written here. Here PB P HHB. P here stand for remembering purpose. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Once again, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. So here I have written sin, cos, tan. So this means sin. If you take here sin, just below you can see in vertical column P, H are there. The P over H, that will become sin. Cos, it will become B over H, and tan, it will become P over B. Now go in the sense of reversal. Cosec H over P, sec H over B, cot B over P. Same thing I have written here. Sin theta equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse, P over H. Cosec theta equal to, go to reversal, cosec theta equal to H over P, H over P I have written. Here cos theta equal to B over H, B over H. Go to reversal, sec theta equal to H over B, and again tan theta equal to P over B. Go to reversal, cot theta equal to B over P. Now come out to next here. Here I have written, here you can see sin theta equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse, cos theta equal to base over hypotenuse. Here sin theta equal to BC over AC, cos theta equal to AB over AC. Now sin theta over cos theta will be BC over AC right here, and just since cos theta is there in denominator, reverse the thing here, they will get AC over AB. This AC will be cancelled out, comes out to equal to BC over AB equal to perpendicular over base. Sin theta over cos theta equal to perpendicular over base. Sin theta over cos theta, it will become tan theta. perpendicular over base. If you take here tan theta, tan theta, from here you can see tan theta equal to perpendicular over base. That's why I have written tan theta equal to perpendicular base. Same thing is there. BC over AB is equal to sin theta over cos theta. Now next formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. In Hindi you can say j square theta plus cos j square theta equal to 1. Next formula is tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. This is the basic formula. You can derive sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 with the help of this concept. This concept you can easily derive. Now, here the formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Divide both sides LHS and as well as RHS by cos square theta. Comes out to sin square theta over cos square theta. That is 1. That is tan square theta. And here cos square theta over cos square theta will get here 1. Here 1 over cos square theta will get here sec square theta. So here you can see the equation sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Divide both sides LHS as well as RHS by cos square theta. So here you will get sin square theta over cos square theta plus 1 equal to 1 over cos square theta. So here we will get tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Implied that 1 over tan square theta equal to sec square theta. This is the formula. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Next formula is 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. This can easily be divided by this formula. Now, next formula is AQ plus BQ equal to A plus B in one bracket. Another was A square plus B square minus A. Next formula is AQ minus BQ equal to A minus B in one bracket. Another was A square plus B square plus AB. A plus B का whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. These are the formula you must remember. Now come out to basic formulas. Sin A plus B equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. That is equation number 1. Here sin A minus B equal to sin A dot cos B minus cos A dot sin B. That is equation number 2. Here cos A plus B equal to cos A dot cos B minus sin A dot sin B. That is equation number 3. Here cos A minus B equal to cos A dot cos B plus sin A dot sin B. Equation number 4. What we'll do in this case? These are the 4 basic equations consisting of 4 basic formulas. You must have remembered these formulas. With the help of these formulas, you can easily get other formulas also. So if you do here, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. If you add equation number 1 and equation number 2, you will get on adding equation number 1 and equation number 2, we get, here you will get sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Here you can see if you add this one will be cancelled out. You will get here 2 sin A dot cos B. So here formula is 2 dot sin A dot cos B equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Now next formula is on adding equation number 3 and 4. This is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. If you add, you will get this term, you can see minus sin A dot sin B plus sin A dot sin B will be cancelled out. You will get, this will be double of cos A dot cos B comes out in the right hand side. The same thing I have written here, 2 cos A dot cos B, and this will be added together. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is the formula. Now next formula is subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1. Here you can see equation number 1 equation number 2 is there. So on subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1, you will get sin a plus b minus sin a minus b equal to 2 cos a dot sin b. The basic formula is 2 cos a dot sin b equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. This is the formula. Now come out to next. Subtracting equation number 4 from equation number 3. Equation number 4 you can see this one. Equation number 4. This is equation number 3. On subtracting equation number 4 from equation number 3, you will get cos a plus b minus cos a minus b equal to minus 2 sin a dot sin b. So here you can get implied that 2 sin a dot sin b equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. These are the some basic formula related to trigonometry. Okay, thanks.